Okay, FM 101.7.
Owura Kwame Apia Kodua Nadmo Boss Eastern Region. Edwe enkomo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We run at say.
Nyame de chain na enko yesa, enko yesa, enko yesa.
Wadawruma wakwa kodu baabi a asori dan egu nipa so. Na maye infoni kakra ene de Nadmo so mosomo yo.
Yo, me da say. Yecha okay from for yecha Ghana for nyana. The sorry in question, Church of
Prosperity.
Hello.
Pacho meet your Church of Prosperity, yes sir.
Hello.
Church of Prosperity, yes sir.
Yes, I'm sorry in question the Church of Prosperity. Batabi. Achim Batabi. Very close to Achimodan. Na almost story building almost it's a American because a 4-story building, but British because a 3-story. Now that almost started in 1996, and still construction is still ongoing. And it's almost started and say almost with pillars, and now almost floors, first floor, second floor, third floor. And ground floor in Beckham one, I just say I have 4. The block work, is almost in the concrete pillars, and carry floors, So my then I'm big and I'm starting in 1996. The construction, oil and kakra. The bar site will be who's still no construction, no cost. And between 2 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. And I sorry for no dry fasting. Into near Biasia, sorry no fasting in the Bompire. And size and around that time, no bread and better as a ground floor. That's all more rested. Eyewitness account, HSA, in IFA 61. I'm more rested. Until 2:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30, no. And a dino, suddenly, a dining in a free. The good for. Until a dining book of the 61, Nipano. A moon beat me, a cane. A moon beat me, Pierre. Et me a coy. Emma Sani Panade Bonibia and Count. But as at now, no Nipa 6 there. You could do hono rescue team of Ghana National Fire Service, Ambulance Service, Nadmo Regional and then National Directorate. A combined team of Engineers Regiment and then a Chelsea Jungle Welfare started say a rescue Nipan together with community members. I must say almost Omabom Homodimpa. Then I had no say what Mama in Magana for a dasonko community for no and so bomb Homodimpa boy Emma Nipa 6 year. If you almost say, wound and run it will rescue Omina, Minimocasay. The past 6 Omina and Ma, the Doma call Achim or down government mortuary, and Mocasay or more. Vessel in Yankopon and Gazanfa currency. There are some bonny. At 2.
Na mofa so muyi ni pay na mugusu muyi ni pay because the ayati say same the excavators na yi excavator dey say we ha wo bi enwi kura betimi yakunu e na obi on so kura na e bi e bi anwea ne ade na adwi no afra wo
sane wote no kwe asem no si initially no de The immediate people are a call hono a community no
Okay, FM.
community members no the inhabitants of a community no so abatabi community no omne call office omno rescue operators so in an attempt person boy no use excavator. But as soon as not money other institutions call on a rescue mission, you could do on. We advise excavators in empack it. So until na excavate no na excavator no start new money at the amount stop into 10 is na yampa. Community no prayer near day. So nti ya mo master po amino ka say ya juma ekuso ya juma be say about 6 hours na ye free stakeholder meeting near review so far what we have done
Okay,
ni ya planning ahead and it said mo so mo the free then
na
kind the
mami musa ade we say so far no mo betimi anya nipa bi a na mo warehye mo se nipa bi da so ase a
eyewitness account say eyewitness account say nipa 10 akwara ba ko ka ho ema 11 the debris not tapo na yetimi ye adwuma no na nyame nso edi ho afofia yebetimi ayi wo mo a say blocks no and debris no bi emmo nipa ne so a na tapo no na hu no hye when pan beti ahye 3 days kura ongu so nti eguso a ye se nyankopon na se o man nyansa ne akwankyere na enipa no aka na yentim fanyom so far there enipa 7 eyi wo mu na omo eyi wo mu omo na omo ngui
Okay, FM.
omo nyina kwa chimoda government hospital out of 7 6 of them were discharged. So a member 4, 21 years, 25 years, 45 years, 30 years. And a ma 3, 18 years, 38 years, and 57 years. And so far, no, the past 6 in our government hospital, watch my time discharge or back 30 years boy. Clement bring to say or no, and or admission. But no no idea out of hand. Idea bro doctors so.
Papa na se wo hwedi esi yi me kai se achimota akra ha de no esi emekom de ni si ye no na yesu se wo man se ebe ya anka yenya machines a ebetimi a lift ayi ese pillars no ne ade se saa wenum bi esia dan se da bi ane de excavator ase ye makeshift ayi provision bi ne de esa de no de esie wodwen sei
Oh binya me no be a drink kra say disaster in the area of disaster management no as I say you pay particular attention so we are seeing nyina mu atorencha mu no only 15% pe na to in Africa so na otim se nyankopon eti ho for people na nka we are atorencha mu nya de no senka is get to other parts of the world near there nka say nka ebabro ya ho so 15% pe in we are atorencha mu nyina to in Africa but through the management na aboboyabo because as a country for so many years we have not paid attention to equipment in there so BBC ba me come dey by is is very nearby almost doxy by any idea about why am I eating na almost what happened as a country, as I say, they started embarking on a very serious national discussion on some of these things because Koba ayana the management of the disaster na a problem, but it in managing engineer work equipment near the managing here. Said the impact on the citizens a very minimal. And say started a national discussions now because there are albatross on our neck as a people, as a country, for so many years. So many years.
Papa, the amatian says sad dine one Casano Crano, penny for call home, echo say it was structural defects be Emma almost stop no, and near the idea. Now, when and penny and crack, and across the year, your babies are say, then and was our trust beam.
Oh, me, dear, me not aware of what you are telling me. But Oba, me engineer, but yes, dinda. Oba na obehe, a dino, the size of the pillars, a dino usi. Now, what you can see is 12 mm all around. So, 12 mm iron rods all around. The dank is there. Engineer BA ni wa bakajo say for 12 mm it's tank CC the dan akwatre so nti me no e say ye sign ehwe e kwan e be fa so a ye man ye permit no not only the granting of the permit and kwan but as I say ye hwe say engineers ni me boy na ye hwe say yeah, granting permit specific plan the person is building in conformity to the plan or the upper soil them say a very critical. Diana almost started over 26 years ago. Sela Ugususi there. Na ubehe abrosanya ebu eno a wo ho eno ebu nyesi bibia kwakan na uhwese ne tani nyina debisni nyina bafo enyesi iron rods bi kwa hangi bi ewo wiem so na clearly no enyes de but ka dokun de ni nim ni sese wudi si jaso na nka se hye na nka ben no enyes de but oba na obehu ejuma wa ha no na sese oni osida no amwa mine amwa mine osida na amwa mine no de an honest statement esase ka
papa na wedu a posifo abem bi asofo no adeda no no mate yes sofo no enti kura on ba ho no se sofo no ayare akoda hospital and wo mo apply 3-day fasting body ama sofo no se nyame de ne nkwa be che no
sofo no ne enso abeti ne sofo no ehomfa no just like you are saying ehomfa no omo bompire ama osofo no so ne enso ya beti no but anopaya no ya tese odan police I invite sorry no sofo ni panifo no police I invite you amoko nti mo me ni police nso ebe ye to start me na that aspect no so no
okay
Ghana police for them the appropriate ibia ashimbia so police for etiki nemra ni ade no ekono say police nso ebe na juma
obani e baba sepa na yasire nyampa so amamo e wadwuma so amo ye de aba oman
moso yedam asese yenso ya use mo platform yi na yeti media inform Ghana for exactly what is going on ewo batabi achimbatabi say enso bebo ama omanfo hu ni ekoso ha na yeti empaibo atai omo prepare no mo omo she dan se no ya bompaya mo mo se ebetimi ayom no mo abeka Ghana for na yinu anum so ye free omo free mu ya se no so ya bompaya mo se nyankopon ankasa mfa omkransi
medasi anopai
yo yeso ye damasepa
yes ye da se owura ya ne twitwi komai eye Kwame Apiakodua Nadmo boss Emma Eastern region ena ye ne na atwen komo atoyire ncham a asie asori dan a was started in 1996 ɛna wato aso dan no so 5 story ɛna sɔfo no ankasa de ɔyare ɛna wɔda wɔ na asɔre ma no abɛhyia ɛyɛ 3 days dry fasting is dry ɛnyɛ wet ama no sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ ne ho bɛtɔ no ɛna aso dan no agu nipa no so ɛyare
Okay FM 101.7